Come here. Show Daddy what you can do. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, Dipsy. Number one. Mary. Get a little closer. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. You can do it. That's
Good
it.
job. Good job.
You can do it.
Yay.
That's
Good
it.
job.
Keep coming. Come back here and you can see it.
Munchkin.
That's it. Keep coming.
No, I'm still
Keep
here.
coming.
Oh, good job. Yay. You're crawling.
Did you see what you did?
Can you
we
get
did
over
some
here?
more? Jane. it's right.
Jane,
Jane, come here.
Jane, come back here.
Come on, Mary.
Come on.
You can do it. That's it.
Good job.
You did it.
Yeah.
Keep going. What is this torture?
It's like how I feel when I go running.
Come get it, Mary. You can
Got
do
your
it.
eye on the prize?
Oh.
Okay, come here, Mary.
Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. That's it. That's it. Good job. So can you get down there and try to get her to come to you?
Hey, Mary.
I'll get a side
Come
view.
here. Come here, Mary.
Come on, that's it.
Good job.
He's coming to me.
Hi.
Are we all done?
We're taking a break. Huh?
It's hard work.
That
You've
was a
gone
lot of
halfway
work,
across
huh?
the...
Just a little bit more.
Come here, Mary.
Almost made it.
Okay, back up, Jamie. Come here, Mary. Come here. It's like she's hit the wall.
Maybe Brunson's hit walls. Morton's don't. Come on, Mary. Come on. She's like, I'm planted right here. Thank you very much. You guys have all the crawling skills. Call to me. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.